Wayfinding for large indoor environments. Wayfinding in large indoor environments is a complex process involving spatial perception, cognitive mapping, and environmental cues. A well-designed wayfinding system can help orient people while preventing confusion and frustration. With so many existing navigational tools such as maps, kiosks, and signage, why do people still face difficulties in wayfinding? To understand these difficulties, we dive into existing strategies and the influence of the built environment to create better designed spaces. Our research aims to understand the challenges individuals face when navigating large or multi-use indoor environments, which can cause stress and confusion. To gain further insight, we developed the following three research questions. 1. What role does the design of the built environment play in wayfinding in large or multi-use environments? 2. What strategies do people rely on when choosing to navigate through spaces? 3. What factors contribute to wayfinding difficulties in these spaces? Our target audience was broad to capture a diverse range of perspectives, limited to legally and physically capable adults ages 18 to 65. Participants also needed prior experience navigating an indoor public space. We conducted two studies. Study 1 used semi-structured interviews to explore navigational experiences and strategies. Insights from these interviews helped shape Study 2, a questionnaire with open-ended responses to understand individual experiences and motivations. We interviewed 10 participants ages 21 to 32 on their navigational experiences, challenges, and strategies. We then synthesized 78 notes into four key themes, identifying patterns in their experiences. The four major themes identified were 1. The built environment hindered navigation due to layout issues and crowding. 2. Time constraints added pressure, making navigation harder. 3. A lack of resources such as maps, kiosks, and staff left people without adequate assistance. 4. Participants relied on tools like Google Maps despite its limitations for indoor spaces. Overall, environmental factors, resource availability, and time constraints significantly impacted wayfinding. We then surveyed 8 participants on wayfinding experiences, emotional responses, and tool effectiveness. After analyzing the data, we identified patterns, pain points, and potential synergies. Study 2 built on Study 1, identifying four key themes. 1. Signage and layout are critical for smooth wayfinding. 2. Environmental conditions like heat, congestion, and poor ventilation impact navigation. 3. Participants relied on digital tools like Google Maps despite their limited effectiveness indoors. 4. The combination of effective layout/signage and the absence of on-site assistance increased reliance on other unreliable tools. As such, our studies revealed environmental factors such as crowds and poor lighting, the ineffective usage of Google Maps indoors, and the avoidance of slow or inaccessible kiosks. Social pressures and crowds also worsen navigation, with many avoiding help to not stand out. Likewise, wayfinding has an emotional impact where poor design caused stress, while clear signage and open layouts help participants feel calmer. Both studies also highlighted that cluttered signage created anxiety. As such, simplified paths and real-time location tracking could improve navigation, aligning with users' mental models. Participants felt lost with small, unclear signage, but large, high-contrast signs improved confidence. Providing information to avoid crowds can also help direct people to better conditioned paths. Participants favored landmarks over directions, leading to intuitive navigation. Providing search functions and directions to landmarks improves wayfinding. Our next steps are to implement these design guidelines through prototypes, user testing, and iteration based on feedback. Working with facility managers, we will ensure continuous improvement and track our impact. Our study has limitations in its small sample size and reliance on self-reported experiences, which can introduce biases and the need to recall information. Other variables in the built environment could not be identified, such as lighting or noise. In conclusion, wayfinding is about more than just directions. It's about creating spaces where navigation feels effortless, reducing stress, and fostering confidence in every journey.